Hey, yoga teachers. This is a really great time of year to remember that in your classes, you're seeing a lot of people that have never done yoga and a lot of people that are even new to fitness. So take it easy. And that doesn't mean take everything so slow and hold people in a warrior two pose for 5 minutes. That's not easy. That may be simple, but simple is not the same as easy. There's a lot of people that want to practice yoga. It's taken them years to get to this point to be in your class. So let's not scare them away. Let's give them a reason to come back. And that means allow them to learn the practice over time. You don't have to teach them everything you know in one class, and you don't have to make it so hard that it feels overly intimidating. Keep the classes mindful. Keep the sequencing very simple, and then watch your classes grow. But more than anything, watch all these new people fall in love with yoga and gain the benefits of yoga for the rest of their lives. Much love.